Odessa Arts is the local arts agency for Odessa and Ector County. It was founded in 1978. The city of Odessa started allocating hotel occupancy tax to Odessa Arts to be able to grant out money for cultural tourism. And we've been doing that along with managing the city's public art collection and the Odessa Shakespeare Festival, and now First Fridays. And I like to say we get to do just about anything as long as we can figure out how to pay for it and how to staff it. You know, people talk about arts as the icing on the cake, right? It's nice to have, but you don't really need it. I disagree. From an arts education standpoint, students have at least one arts class, have a higher graduation rate, tend to go to college, have higher test scores. On top of that, people want to live and work in a community that has something to offer them besides their job. So it's really great for workforce recruitment and retention. But most importantly, arts and culture nonprofit in Odessa generate $33.5 million in economic activity every year. That is a huge number, and we don't really ever talk about the economics of having a robust arts and culture sector in a community. And I think that's something great to be able to hang our hat on. I cannot thank Odessa College enough for the honor of recognizing Odessa Arts as the outstanding nonprofit. It was a surprise. It's very humbling, and again, it speaks to the strength of the partnership between Odessa Arts and Odessa College, which I think is vital to the mission of both organizations.